Welcome to Javi Sounds. In this place, we want to help you put the music in its rightful position without difficulty, okay? Confidence. In the previous video, we talked about how confidence can improve your singing skills. And here we want to show you how to develop your confidence. We want to see 4 more things. There are principles, rules, do's and don'ts that need to be observed in order to comply with the standards, okay? So how much of music knowledge you have has a lot to do with how you deliver your messages musically. Your knowledge about the musical notes, the chords, the musical instruments, the music styles and various types of vocals will boost your confidence to make a proper musical expression and delivery of the messages while singing. We shall be studying more about the music knowledge and standards in the next modules. Understanding the nature of your voice. Many times you want to pick the stage microphone, get into the studio booth and you start to sing, but unfortunately you lose the confidence. It's possibly because you are not well acquainted with the nature of your voice. The mistake that you're making is that you want to become a replica of your mentor or musical icon. Everybody has a unique voice, but not everybody has discovered the nature of their voices, okay? You love your mentor because they have discovered the uniqueness of their voices and they are applying it optimally, okay? That's exactly what you need to do. Reach a point of understanding the highs, the lows, the range, and the widths, and the strengths and the limits within your voice so that you are able to customize it and transform it into a skillful vocal presentation. Well, I sing like myself and according to my range, my strengths and capacity. It makes me sing just well. You don't have to sing like me. Your voice is unique and all you need to do is position yourself to sing well. I mean, if I sing like another person, I'm not gonna be singing well because I'm doing a copycat. Forcing myself to do things that I cannot do naturally. For example, I cannot sing like a woman. I mean, I'm a man. I need to sing in a low frequency. Michael Jackson, for example, has a higher range than I do. It's natural. I cannot force myself to sing well in his range. Okay? Now what you need to do is discover the identity of your voice, your strengths, and make them stronger. Make your weaknesses better. Know the uniqueness of your voice in terms of your tone, the accent. Get more ideas incorporated in your ability, and with these, you'll be able to sing like nobody else but just you. When I sing, I'm very confident because I know anybody listening to me is listening to no one else other than Jarvis. The third thing is believe in yourself. The fact that you don't have the required confidence does not imply that you lose your faith. There's nothing that you have ever achieved without believing in yourself. Everything begins from scratch, and that's why this training program starts from beginner's level. And at this point, I want you to believe in yourself as much as I do. Okay, when you make a mistake, you get a valuable opportunity to make an observation that will help you to do better in the next round. You have a singing voice, for example. What more is it able to do? What isn't it able to do? Can you reproduce the sound that you've ever heard before? Can you make something new within your limits and abilities? If you answer these questions, you will never force yourself to do things that are outside the scope of your capacity. Okay? And everything that you will be doing will be just as well. You will be the best singer in the world. You'll be a star because nobody else can sing like you. So cast away the fear. Don't fear to make a mistake. When you make a mistake, you are not gonna repeat it. But if you don't make it, you will stay with it forever. And you don't want to do that, okay? So, the other thing is practice. They say practice makes perfect, isn't it? One of the most significant attributes in music is repetition. And that involves the repetition of phrases, words, notes and chords, rhythm patterns, notes and sequences, etc., etc. Getting yourself inscribed in these attributes and patterns of repetition is what makes you become excellent in the things that you're able to do. Okay? Of course, while giving you an opportunity to improve the areas of your weakness. That is why most of the exercises that you'll be downloading from our databases are characterized by repetition that should transform your abilities into excellent and skillful performances. Thank you for attending this part of our introduction. Let's now upgrade to the next chapter in the next video where I will show you the standard structure of a song. This is a very important chapter for training great composers, songwriters, and music producers on how to come up with hit songs. Don't miss the next video. Javi Sounds. Thank you for watching.